There, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Thanks for joining me. Today, I have a fun, fast, and easy gift card holder, perfect for those last-minute holiday gifts or any time of year. So let's get started.
I have a piece of basic white cardstock, and I'm cutting a piece at 6 inches by 8.5 inches, scoring at 4 1/4, and I'm also scoring the short side at 1 3/4. And then folding on those score lines. Burnish that fold line. And then fold that back over, square it up, and burnish again. I have 2 scraps of basic white and a piece of basic white that measures 3 by 3. I'll be using a variety of stamp sets today. One of them is Gallery Blooms, and the second one is Ornamental Christmas and Misty Moonlight ink. A piece of scrap paper here. That crooked. I have pieces of Designer Series pattern paper. These measure 3 inches by 3 inches. After applying the liquid glue to the back, I am adhering this to a piece of Night of Navy cardstock that measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. This one tucks in here. This one I want to go here. So my glue will go up in here. To trim this off. Applying dimensionals. I'm putting them on the top and the bottom. And I want to make a channel for a ribbon to run through. I'm laying this ribbon down here. Actually, let me fold that out. removing the backings. Making sure that ribbon can float there. And I die cut this dove. And this I'm cutting in half. So first I'm going to trim here. I'm going to actually trim this closer as well. Need to pop this dove up on some dimensionals. I think you can see where I'm going with this. So we have a spot for a message. You can tuck a gift card behind there. Tie this into a pretty bow. And add some hues of blues flowers. And there you have it, a cute little Christmas pouch.
Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!